भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। In waking state itself, to recognize the presence of Vishwa, Taijasa and Prajna. This second karika has come. Dakshinakshi mukhe Vishwo manasi antah tu Taijasaha akashe च हृदि प्राज्ञ स्त्रिधा देहे व्यवस्थितः। So, one Atma is present as Vishwa, Taijasa, Prajna, and all three are available in waking state itself. When I am doing Indriya Vyapara and Bahya Vishaya Darshana, I am Vishwa. When I withdraw in mind, then Taijasa. And when I withdraw from mind in Hridayakasha, then Prajna. So, we are seeing the Tika on page number 31, second last line. Jagarite. So, last line we saw was Swapna Jagaritayor Vilakshanatvat. तद दृष्टोहो विश्व तैजसयोरपि वैलक्षण्यम उचितम इत्याशंक्य आह। यथा, so it was said, यथा अत्र तथा स्वप्ने. Waking and dream, they have seeming differences. In the same way, the drashta of waking and dream also have seeming differences. Seeming differences only. Further, जागरिते यथा अर्थजातम द्रष्टा पश्यति. तथैव स्वप्ने अपि तदुपलभते। जागरिते इन वेकिंग यथा अर्थजातम दृष्टा पश्यति। अर्थजातम अर्थ समूहम। दृष्टा when he sees अर्थ समूह in waking, तथा एव in the same way स्वप्ने अपि तद उपलभते। तद उपलभते, कहाँ उपलभते? हाँ? No. If the question is kaha upalabhate, kaha is prathama. Kaha upalabhate? Drashta upalabhate. Drashta स्वप्ने अपि तद उपलभते। किम तत्? What is tat? That is अर्थजातम, अर्थ समूहम। So स्वप्ने अपि द्रष्टा अर्थजातम उपलभते। ततः न तयोर वैलक्षण्य सिद्धिरित्यर्थः। ततः तस्मात् कारणात् तयोः कयोः हाँ नो not correct. तयोः वैलक्ष, remember when I ask question you have to see pankti. In the previous line this is where I started today. स्वप्न जागरितयोः विलक्षणत्वात्, this is the hetu. From this hetu there is some sadhya. तद्द्रष्ट्रोः विश्वतैजसयोः अपि वैलक्षण्यम उचितम, दिस इज द आशंका. सिद्धांति सेज तयोः वैलक्षण्य सिद्धि ही न, तयोः तद्द्रष्ट्रोः विश्वतैजसयोः. द्वितीय पादस्य व्याख्याम उपसंहरति. द्वितीय पाद व्याख्या. सो द्वितीय पाद वाज मनस्यन्तस्तु तैजसः. मनसि अन्तः is तैजस. That व्याख्या is being concluded now. अतः इति. भाष्य on next page, first line. अतः मनस्यन्तस्तु तैजसोपि विश्व एव. मनसि अतः, अतः तस्मात् कारणात्, यस्मात् तयोः वैलक्षण्य सिद्धिः न, तस्मात् मनसि अन्तः तैजसः अपि विश्व एव. तैजस is really nothing but Vishwa alone. Means Vishwa alone when is only doing smaranatmaka vyapara with his own vasanas, samskaras, then as if Vishwa has become Taijasa in waking itself. Vishwa becoming Taijasa in Swapna is understood. Now he is explaining Vishwa becoming Taijasa in Jagrat. Tika. One number tippani. Ataha Vishwasyaiva vasanartha drashtritvat. Since Vishwa alone is the seer of the vasanartha drashtritvat. स्थानद्वये टीका स्थानद्वये द्रष्टुर्भेदाशंका निरवकाशा इति दर्शयितुम् एवकारः. एवकारः is there in भाष्य. Taijaso api Vishwa eva. Eva is what? That it is the same. It means there are no two different drashtas in two different sthanam. It is the same drashta. Tritiyam padam व्याकुर्वन् जाग्रत्येव सुषुप्तिं दर्शयति. Now we come to third pada. Akashe च हृदि प्राज्ञः. So तृतीयम पादम व्याकुर्वन्, doing the व्याख्या of the तृतीय पाद. जाग्रत्येव सुषुप्तिं दर्शयति. In Jagrat alone, Sushupti is shown. Akashe cha iti. Bhashya. Now see, in Jagrat, Sushupti is shown first. Then Sushupti Drashta will be shown. First he wants to show that in waking itself, I can be sleeping. Wakeful sleep. Yeah, these words, the new Vedantins, they use such words. They are already old words used by Anand Giriji long back, once upon a time. Wakeful sleep. Jagrati eva sushupti. Akashe cha hridi smaranakhya vyaparoparame. Hridi means hridayavachinna akashe. In the heart means in the space where the heart is. Heart is the avachedaka. Like in ghata means ghatavachinna akashe. Like that in hridaya means hridayavachinna akashe. Smaranakhya vyapara uparame. When smaranakhya vyapara, so this remembering, recollection or any sankalpas, they are also withdrawn. Prajna eki bhuto ghana prajna eva bhavati. So eki bhutaha, this word is there from fifth mantra. Eki bhutaha. And ghana prajna, where is this word? First Karika, ghana prajna word is used by Gauda Padacharya ji. That word is used by Acharya. So, prajna ekibhuto ghana prajna eva bhavati. Ekibhuta means where the pramata, prameya, bheda is not there. This is the ekibhuta. experiencer, experienced division is covered, is hidden. टीका यो विश्वस् तैजसत्वम् उपगतः स पुनः स्मरणाख्यस्य व्यापारस्य व्यावृत्तौ हृदयावच्छिन्नाकाशे स्थितः सन् प्राज्ञो भूत्वा तल्लक्षणलक्षितो भवति. यो विश्वः तैजसत्वम् उपगतः, that Vishwa which attained Taijasatvam, which became Taijasa, Yo Vishwaha Taijasatvam Upagataha, स पुनः स्मरणाख्यस्य व्यापारस्य व्यावृत्तौ, that Vishwa, when he is Taijasa, when he withdraws from Smarana also, recollection, means when I am not thinking, in waking, mind has become so calm that even thoughts are not there, thoughts are not initiated, and they gradually die down. But I am awake. This is Prajna Avastha. You can say at that time thoughts are not there, but it is not necessary that I am in Brahmanubhava. Not necessary. Because if I have not deliberately thought of Aham Brahmasmi Vritti, means I am not aware of my Brahmatva. See, entertaining Aham Brahmasmi Vritti means what? I am aware of the fact that I, the Lakshyartha, am Brahma. So I am aware of my Brahmatva. I am alert about my Vyavaharik Mithyatva. I am alert about Bahya Prapanchasya Mithyatva. External world is also Mithya. I am fully aware of that. This awareness is Samadhi. So I don't miss it. Even when I see beautiful Gangaji, beautiful Himalayan mountain, but if I am in Samahita Avastha, I can still recognize their Mithyatva. Karatala Amalakavat, as clear as the gooseberry fruit in the palm. So then that is Samadhi. But if thoughts are not there, other Vikshepa is also not there, other Vyapara is not there, Indriyas are calm, mind is calm, but Aham Brahmasmi awareness is not there, then that is Prajna, that is not Samadhi. So this is the Bheda. And you know, here we have not come to the knowledge part, because we are still within 3 padas only. Chaturtha pada explanation or Mahavakya, Upadesha has not come yet. Smaranakhyasya Vyaparasya Vyavruttau, when that Smarana also is withdrawn, Hridayavachinna Akashe Sthitaha San Prajno Bhutva, then presiding in that Hridaya Avachinna Akasha. So, for an onlooker, it is like in Hridaya. But clearly explaining it is in the space of that heart. Like, where is the water? It is in the pot. So really speaking, it is in the space conditioned by the pot. Water is kept in the pot, means tadavachin. So when will this happen? When you take a cup, in that you put water, and instead of just looking at the pot and water, you also recognize the importance of space which is there in the cup in which you have put water, and now you are sipping the hot water because the weather is very cold, or you are drinking chai or milk or whatever. So that tadavachinna akasha is not unnoticed. In plate also, if there is chapati, dal, where is dal? In the cup, means cup avachinna akasha. This abhyasa, when it happens, then I will not lose the presence of akasha in my chintanam. So then instead of saying, where are you? I am in my room, I will say, I am in room prakoshtha avachinna akasha. See, this is how you recognize Chaitanya. That which is so sukshma, but it is present. And in that everything is. So I have to come to first recognize space. Then the karanam of space also. So these are the techniques of realizing the sukshma vastu. Gradually only we do it, If our vyavahar is filled with lot of raga dvesha and thinking of other extroverted things, then it will be difficult to recognize the presence of space and Chaitanya, which is the karanam of space, which accommodates space. That Chaitanya I am, and it is all pervading. When will I think of it? हृदयावच्छिन्न आकाशे स्थितः सन् प्राज्ञो भूत्वा तल्लक्षण लक्षितो भवति. तल्लक्षण लक्षितः कः? Who is तल्लक्षण लक्षितः? प्राज्ञः. प्राज्ञः. Vishwa also you can say Vishwa, but who is free from smarana vyapar also. So prajna is the nearest prathama vibhakti ekvachana shabda. Prajnah tal lakshana lakshitah. तल लक्षण लक्षितः तत् लक्षणेन लक्षितः. किम लक्षणेन लक्षितः? हृदयावच्छिन्न आकाशे स्थितः. दिस इज द लक्षण. सो हृदयावच्छिन्न आकाशस्थः, दिस विल बिकम द लक्षण. यः हृदयावच्छिन्न आकाशस्थः सः प्राज्ञः. In Hindi, if you want to say, जो हृदय अवच्छिन्न आकाश में है वो प्राज्ञ है. नहीं तस्य रूप विषय दर्शन स्मरणे परिहृत्य विशिष्टाकाश निविष्टस्य प्राज्ञात् अर्थांतरत्वम्. तस्य रूप विषय दर्शन स्मरणे परिहृत्य. What is the meaning of रूप विषय दर्शन स्मरणे how Tejasa, what is Rupa Vishaya Darshana Smarana means Tejasa? You can try. How do you understand? You have to explain. What is the meaning of Rupa Vishaya Darshana Smarane? Manovyapara. Okay. You see, whenever such words are there, right? Rupa Vishaya Darshana Smarane. So, what is the vibhakti of Smarana here? Before that, before locative, what did somebody say? Somebody said something, but I didn't hear. What is the vibhakti? Smarane is Tritiya. How? Somebody said it is third or fifth case. No, you see, you have to. Huh? Okay, everybody turn off their thing now. Smarane is Prathama Dvivachanam. Napunsakalinga Shabda. Vanam Vane. Smaranam Smarane. You see, if this basics, this is simple Vyakarana. Darshanancha Smaranancha Darshana Smarane. First Dvivachanam is made. Rupa Vishaya Darshanam, Rupa Vishaya Smaranam. Rupa Vishaya Darshanam is Jagrat Vyapara. Rupa Vishaya Smaranam is Swapna Vyapara. Because in Jagrat what happens is Rupa Vishaya Darshanam with the help of external faculties. And in swapna, it is only smaranam. It is not darshanam. In waking, that is what was said earlier, right? That's why you see in the earlier page yesterday we saw that he sees something, then he closes his eyes and he just remembers, smaran. So smarana is only recollecting the vasanas. So darshana and smarana, when both are parihritya, when both are given up, rupa vishayaka, of any rupa. Rupa means shabda, sparsha, rasa, gandha, everything. Because we don't only remember rupa, we remember so many things together. All of that parihritya. Vishishta akasha nivishtasya, the one who is Vishishta akasha nivishta. Nivishta sthitaha, the one who is placed there in the Vishishta akasha, Hridaya Vishishta akasha. Prajnat arthantaratvam nahi. He is not different from Prajna then. Arthantaratvam means anyadartham, another meaning. So when somebody gives up darshana, vyapara, somebody gives up smarana vyapara, then when he is awake without indriya vyavahara, without mano vyavahara, he is not different from prajna. Prajnat arthantaratvam na. Therefore, he is prajna in that waking state. Atascha, clear this sentence. In this way, you have to look at every vakya. Means you have, unless you do vyakarana, some basic vyakarana, then you will not understand these things. अतश्च सह एकीभूतो विषय विषयी आकार रहितः. Ekibhutah, I told you, where experiencer and experienced, Vishaya experienced, Vishayi experiencer, Pramata. Vishaya Vishayi akara. So in just like in Sushupti, Aham Vritti and Idam Vritti both are absent. In the same way, in this avastha where I am awake but I am prajna, awake but not Vishwa, prajna. So you see, that avastha requires sadhana. In waking without sadhana, I will be Vishwa. I don't need any sadhana. In waking, to become Taijasa, I have to withdraw from Indriya Vyapara. So some sadhana is needed. But in waking, to get to Prajna, some more sadhana is required. Ekibhutah Vishaya Vishayi Akara Rahitah. Yatah Ghana Prajnah विशेष विज्ञान विरही रूपांतर रहितस् तिष्ठति इत्यर्थः. यतः मीन्स यस्मात् कारणात्, सिंस घन प्रज्ञः विशेष विज्ञान विरही. घन प्रज्ञः मीन्स दिस प्रज्ञान घनः, विशेष विज्ञान is not there. Jagrat also will have Vishesha Vijnana. Swapna also will have Vishesha Vijnana. Devoid of both Vishesha Vijnana Virahi, रूपांतर रहितः तिष्ठति इत्यर्थः. Without any modifications. Here rupa means modifications. So rupantar means modification actually. Rupantar rahita, without modifications. So he stays without modifications. Prajnanaghana. Uktam artham prapanchayan manovyaparabhavat iti hetum uktva vyachaste. So this uktam artham, whatever that we discussed so far, prapanchayan, now in bhashya we will see some explanation on this. Manovyapara abhavat, due to the absence of mental thought modifications, iti hetum uktva vyachaste, giving the hetu, now he explains in bhashya. So now first hetu is given. Mano vyapara bhavat. This is the hetu. Why he is ghana prajnaha ekibhutaha? Because there is no mano vyapara. Mano vyapara bhavat. Darshana. Now you see. Darshana smarane. Now you know what is darshana smarane. Which vibhakti is darshana smarane? Prathama dvivachana. But dvitiya dvivachana is also possible. Huh? So if it is subject, then it will be in prathama. But if it is object, it will be dvitiya dvivachana. So here it is in prathama dvivachana. Darshana smarane eva hi manaspandite. Darshana and smarana, both of them. Darshana smarane eva hi manaspandite. Manaspandite is visheshana for darshana smarana. So it will have the same case, same vibhakti, same vachana. They are both manaspandanam. Waking is also manaspandanam. Dream means waking darshana is manaspandanam. Smaranam is also manaspandanam. Mind is only moving here, there, that's all. So when people say this is happening, that is happening, somebody like that, somebody like that, it is all manaspandanam. That's all. There is nothing much happening. Only thing is, in their case, it is not spandanam, it is violence. The typhoon of mind, not only spandanam. Lot is going on. Tad abhave hridi eva avisheshena pranatmana avasthanam. Tad abhave, manaspandana abhave. When there is no manaspandanam, then hridi eva avisheshena avasthanam. In the heart alone, there is avasthanam. How? Pranatmana, as prana. Pranatmana avasthanam. Pranatmana means he becomes prana. Now, when Bhashyakar puts this one word, so it is going to start a Purvapaksha. This is going to be a long Purvapaksha, which will start from next page. Bhashyakar said, see, when Manaspandanam is not there, then what activity is there? Only prana is there. So pranatmana avasthanam, he just remains as prana. This is literal meaning. But here, that meaning is not taken. See tika. Avisheshena avyakrita rupena ityarthaha. Anand Giriji says, Hridi eva avisheshena. Avisheshena means as unmanifest. Avyakrita rupena. And what is the meaning of avyakrita? Ishvara. Correct. Ishvara. So now he is in the Ishvara state. When Darshana Vyapara is not there, Smarana Vyapara is not there, therefore Manaspandanam is not there, he is Ishvara Tulya. And Ishvara and Prajna are one. Avasthanam Jagarite Sushuptam iti Sheshaha. Avasthanam Hridi eva Avisheshana Pranatmana Avasthanam. Avasthanam means in waking he is sleeping. Jagarite Sushuptam. Actually, this is what everybody wants. What is the idea of happiness as far as general basic sadhakas are concerned? Other people you forget. Basic sadhakas, this is what they want. I don't need vishayas. I don't need lot of manovrittis, manovyapara. But I want to be happy. So this is the best way, where you don't have Vishaya Alambana. Alambana means support. You don't have to take support of Vishayas, external objects. You don't have to take support of particular thoughts. Ishta, Ishtakar Vritti. Ishta means any Ishta Vishaya, any Anubhava that you had, you just want to go through, not that also. And you want to be happy. So if I can get this without studying Shastra also, without listening to Mahavakya, without doing Mahavakya Vichara or any further Mananam, generally people are happy with this. True or not? This is all people want. Jagarite Sushuptam. In waking itself, that I don't have to run after Vishayas and I don't have to entertain some thoughts continuously. So I am relaxed, I am free. And yet mind doesn't want to go out. This is such a positive state. This is like being Ishvara. So even up to this, where I don't have Mahavakya Vichara, and definitely I don't have to study Tarka Sangraha and Nyaya Siddhanta Muktavali and all to come to this level. And no need of Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. People are so happy. As a sadhaka, they will be very happy if they don't have to do all those things, and yet they can get this. And that's why the tendency is, I will go in the far, some remote place where I have some kutia, where nobody comes, and I will just sit. I don't need to do Shravana. But Prarabdha will pull you out of that. It will not let you sit in that. That's why you need Vedanta. In Panchadashi, 4th chapter, one Purva Paksha is raised. That if I do just this sadhana, let us call this as Yoga sadhana. Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi, where I don't have Vishayas, Vishaya Alambana, I don't have Vritti Alambana, and I am withdrawn from both of them. This is my moksha. Why do I need to study Vedanta? This is the question raised. So what is the answer given? Somehow, let us say you manage this life. What about your sanchita karma? Again, you will have to take birth. Cycle will continue. So without jnanam, even if this avastha is attained, there is no moksha. This avastha is a great avastha. That's why I use the word basic sadhaka. This is good. But this is not freedom. So what we need is this avastha plus aparoksha jnanam, where I don't have to run after vishayas, when I don't have to become dependent on any manovritti, but at the same time I have done shravanam, I have done mananam, all this package is there. And I have understood me and karma, we have no sambandha. I am asanga. So that's why you need sadhana. Vidyaranya Swamiji there, Panchadashi, gives the explanation that your sanchita karma will not be burnt. Sanchita karma nasha is only through jnana. And that jnanam will come from pramana, shastra pramana. So jagarite sushuptam, this is the avasthana. Yaduktam avyakritena pranatmana hridaye avasthanam iti tatra pramanamaha. Yaduktam, earlier, avyakritena pranatmana hridaye avasthanam. Avyakritena means pragyena, because prana is avyakrita now. Avyakrita is now pranatmana hridaye avasthanam. He is now as prana in the heart. Means avyakrita alone is now recognized as prana. Hridaya avasthanam, in the heart space. In that, what is the pramana? So Shruti is quoted, prano ye vaitan sarvan samvrutte iti Shrutehe. Prano hi eva etan sarvan samvrutte. This is Chandogya Upanishad 3.3. What is that? 4.3.3. This is Samvarga Vidya. In Chandogya, this Vidya comes. See in Tika. The Shruti is explained here now in Tika. Yo hi prano adhyatmam prasiddhaha. Saha vagadin pranan atmani samvrukte. Samvrukte means samharati. This prana, yo hi pranaha, saha vagadin pranan atmani samvrukte. Which prana? Adhyatma prana, prasiddha. That which is very well known. Adhyatma prana means this prana apana rupa vyapara, what is there. That prana, vagadin pranan. Vagadi means indriya, indriyadin. So all indriyani, in Prathama. So all these indriyas pranatmani samvrukte samharati. This is the upasamhara that happens in Sushupti. All sense organs, Jnana Indriya, Karmendriya, they all become withdrawn in prana. So, what is that shloka in Dakshinamurti Stotra? राहुग्रस्त दिवाकरेन्दु सदृशः माया समाच्छादनात् सन्मात्रः करणोपसंहरणतः. This is karana upasamharana, where karana upasamhara takes place. करणोपसंहरणतः यो अभूत सुषुप्तः पुमान्. यह पुमान् सुषुप्तो अभूत. Yesterday was Rahu Grasta Indu, and 15 days back was Rahu Grasta Divakara. यो हि प्राणः अध्यात्मं प्रसिद्धः सः वागादीन् प्राणात्मनि संवृत्ते. प्राणान् आत्मनि संवृत्ते. Pranan Atmani Samvrutte. Samvrutte means samharati. He withdraws everything. All the indriyas in Atma. Now you see. Who is doing this withdrawal thing? Prana is doing. But where is the withdrawal? In the Atma. Iti pranasya adhyatmam vagadi samhartritvam uktam. In that vidya, prana is the faculty which is present in the adhyatma, and this faculty is doing the samhartritvam, means it withdraws everything. So withdrawal of all is there. Samhartritvam. अधिदैवं च यो वायुः सूत्रात्मा. Adhyatma is prana. Adhidaiva vayu is sutratma now. Samashti prana. Yo vayu sutratma. Saha agnyadin atmani samharati. And he withdraws Agni, etc. What is the meaning? Correct. So here Agni Shabda is used for presiding deity, Devata, because Agni is the presiding deity of Vag Indriya. So just as Prana withdraws the Indriyas, Sutratma withdraws all the Devatas. Yo Sutra Vayuhu Sutratma so Agnyadin Atmani Samharati iti Agnyadi Samhartritvam Vayoho Uktam. So Vayu means in Samashti it is Adhidaiva. In Vyashti it is Adhyatma. This is the connection. So when we do something in Adhyatma, something is happening in Adhidaiva also. See, sadhana happens at Adhidaiva, Adhyatma level. But the impact is at Adhidaiva level. very sukshma chintan. So, and the one who has done this upasana, this samvarga vidya upasana, for that person, it will be more evident and it will be more quick. It will not take long. Similarly, this Akasha Upasana, so one who has done that Akasha Upasana also, it will be very quick. अज्ञादि संहर्तृत्व वायोः उक्तम् अध्यात्म अधिदैवयोश्च एकत्वात् प्राणस्य वायोश्च वागादिषु अज्ञादिषु संहर्तृत्वेन अव्याकृतत्वस्य संवर्गविद्यायां सूचितत्वात् अव्याकृतेन प्राणात्मना सुषुप्ते प्राज्ञस्य अवस्थानम् इति युक्तमेव उक्तम् इत्यर्थः. Adhyatma and Adhideva, both of them, they are one. This was earlier said, he is just mentioning, reminding. Adhyatma Adhidevayoscha ekatvat, pranasya vayoscha, prana and vayu, vagadishu agnyadishu samhartratvena. Pranasya वागादिषु संहृतत्वम् वायोश्च अग्न्यादिषु संहर्तृत्वम् अग्न्यादिषु मीन्स अग्न्यादिषु प्रति संहर्तृत्वम् संहर्तृत्वेन अव्याकृतत्वस्य संवर्ग विद्यायाम्. So that avyakrita in samvarga vidya suchitatvat. This is indicated in samvarga vidya. Avyakritena. So this vakya is keeping in mind what is given in samvarga vidya. Avyakritena pranatmana sushupte pragnyasya avasthanam iti yuktam eva uktam. What is said by Bhashyakara, that pranatmana avasthanam in the sushupti, jagrat sushupti, prajnasya avasthanam iti yuktam eva uktamartham. What is said is appropriate. 4 number tippani, we see samvarga vidya is given. संवर्ग विद्यायां छांदोग्ये चतुर्थे अध्याये तृतीय खंडे 4:3 वायुर्वाव संवर्ग इत्यादिना उक्तायां. दिस इज हाउ इट इज प्रेजेंटेड इन छांदोग्य. पूर्वमेव, वन मोर सेंटेंस, विल जस्ट सी द इंट्रोडक्शन. पूर्वमेव विश्व विराजोः ऐक्यस्य अनन्तरं च सुषुप्त अव्याकृतयोः एकत्वस्य दर्शितत्वात्. Earlier itself, it was shown Vishwa and Viraja, they are one. Means Adhyatma and Adhideva. As far as the Pramata is concerned, they are one. Jagrat Pramata. Aikyasya Anantaram cha, thereafter, Sushupta Avyakritayoho ekattvasya darshitatvat. Sushupta and Avyakrita, Prajna and Ishvara, their ekattvasya darshitatvat. Taijasa Hiranya Garbhayoho Anuktam Abhedam Vaktavyam. You didn't say Taijasa Hiranya Garbha oneness. So, Idanim Upanyasyati. So, now that Upanyasa means this presentation is coming now. Taijasa iti. Tomorrow we will see from Taijasa. Tomorrow we will have same schedule, morning 2 classes, afternoon 1. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।